Alright guys, so for the past couple months, I've been wanting to get a project car. I've just been having trouble trying to find one, what would kind of be the easiest / most cost-effective route to go with. So my boy has a car that he's selling. I'm not gonna say what yet because I don't want to jinx it, but pretty much I'm gonna go check it out in a little bit. And then, if it actually turns out that I get it, then I'll reveal it to you guys. So, in the meantime, you guys, comment below, let me know kind of what was your first project car, what decided to make you get it and whatnot. Basically, for me, I don't consider myself to be a gearhead. I'm far from a mechanic. I don't really know how to do much with cars, but I just love being around them. So, especially with starting this channel and, for the love of cars, I want to learn. So definitely this is part of the reason me getting it is to kind of see how everything works and kind of become more knowledgeable when it comes to cars. So that's really the main reason why I want to get it. Now, am I in over my head? You guys will have to wait to find out. All right, so stay tuned and I'll have that soon for you guys. All right guys, so I ended up getting the car. It's in not the best shape. It's definitely a project for sure. Currently I kind of feel like I'm a little in over my head, but it is what it is. So I guess I'll show you guys the car. Let me know what you think. I've made better decisions for my life, but you know what? When it's all said and done, I think it would be worth it. All right, so I'll show you guys the car. Let me know what you think. Ain't she a beauty? So it's definitely rough around the edges, but the car definitely has potential. So the story behind why the car looks like that is that my boy tried to do a DIY paint job. The car was originally the navy blue color that you see here, and he tried to paint it the silver. So at first, and especially for a DIY paint job, it definitely came out looking decent. But after a while, he was saying that the paint started to get gummy and didn't really look well. So he started to sand it off and try to get back to the original color. And then kind of in detail, you guys can see here how the paint started cracking and whatnot. So his plan was to repaint it back the navy blue, but then the car died on him. So what's going on with the car is actually that it needs a new head. But at this point, I probably might just be safer swapping out the entire motor. Keep in mind, guys, I don't know how to do any of this, and hopefully I have enough help to get it done. But if not, I'm gonna have to figure it out myself. All right, so I'll show you guys the inside now. The inside isn't too terrible. I think the biggest thing is this rip in leather, but I mean, that's minor considering what else is with the car. Glove box is missing, but we do have a glove box. Same for the airbag and the steering wheel. The swap cluster looks nice. Not sure what car it came out of. And he installed a boost gauge, so we have that going for us. And in any typical Mark IV, the headliner is going, so that's expected. Sunroof is good, works. Hopefully it doesn't have any leaks. And this is the back seat. Spare parts in the back. So here we are. All right, and this is under the hood. So as you can see, the bumper's off. I'll be getting that soon. He still had it, so it's one less expense. Intercooler piping is off, so no intercooler. Like I said before, has the messed up head. So basically what happened is the timing belt snapped, which you see here, and bent the valves inside of the head. So definitely have my work cut out for me. So yeah. All right, guys, and as you see, that was the car. It's definitely rough around the edges, but it has potential. The biggest challenge for me is like I'm not really, knowledgeable when it comes to working on cars, so it is going to be a challenge for me, especially starting with something like this. Definitely have my work cut out for me, but hopefully I have people that are willing to help. And as you see, had to move the car into the garage because someone called the city on me because it was parked in the grass, as you guys saw, but because it's not registered and it's not moving. But it is what it is. It's in the garage. I don't care. Just delete the problem before it gets more complicated. So that was my project car, guys. Stay tuned. Definitely, this car's gonna be on the channel a lot. And hopefully, you know, when it's all said and done, you guys won't be able to recognize it, all right? So remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace.